How can you trim audio on the iPhone? Let me walk you through it. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it all depends on where the audio is located. If you're using the built-in voice memos app, which is a great way to capture audio generally, well, you can get inside and have the audio ready, and you can always just click on the edit options, tap the three dots, and you have the trim option built in. And so you can just drag it from one end or the other and select a selection of the audio and decide if you want to just keep that or delete that selected part. So that's how you can work with the built-in voice memos. And yeah, there are more ways or more situations which you might be in. For example, if you are working on a video file, which also lets you add some audios, like put it all together in one format, in one project, then if you're using a video editor like CapCut, you can as well import your audio clips in here and trim them inside of the video editor. So that is another way you can approach it. However, if you just have some random like MP3 files stored in your Files app, and if you want to trim those, for that purpose, we need to get a dedicated app from the App Store. So you can look up the audio editor on the App Store. Plenty of apps you can utilize for it. But if I look into something like this one, I have the ability to import the audio into this editor, trim it from any part or any side I want, and I can also apply more effects and then export it as the finished file. So it depends on the app you go with. Some apps might require a subscription for it, some are free, but there aren't that many apps which would be like fully free. So yeah, that is a little bit of a downside to it, but that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.